Kelly, we're here. It's finally happening.
I'm standing down with Joe, and he turns to me and he says, Al, she's beautiful. I was like, man, this dude's in love. Like, he's in love.
I've always thought whenever Kelly enters a room, she just lights it up with her bubbly personality and her beauty. And tonight, that rings truer than ever, because you look absolutely stunning.
And you're the perfect fit for him, because you put up with him. And I don't know many people that could do that, to be honest.
We got double rainbows! Double! That's your luck. That means we're gonna have twins.
I love you so much. I can't wait for this. It's happening. I love you. Woo!
Family and friends of Joe and Kelly, we are gathered here today to celebrate the coming together of two people whose hearts and spirits are entwined as one, and to be witnesses and supporters of the commitment they share with one another. Before we begin, if there is anyone present who may show cause why this couple shall not be wed, please just quietly leave the beach.
I, Joe, take you, Kelly,
To be my lawfully wedded wife,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
my partner in life,
my partner in life,
and my one true love.
and my one true love.
I, Kelly, take you, Joe,
To be my lawfully wedded husband,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
my partner in life,
partner in life,
and my one true love.
and one true love.
We have been blessed
We have been blessed
with God's greatest gift,
with God's greatest gift,
our daughter Eva.
our daughter Eva.
Together we will love,
Together we will love,
cherish,
cherish,
and guide her.
and guide her.
I would now like to introduce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Joseph and Shannon.
Hey, Bosa! Oh,
All right.
let's do this. Oh.
It's time to get our party started. Let's hear it for Mr. and Mrs. Joseph DeSantis. Come on, everybody, get on your feet.
I truly wish you a long and happy marriage and some more beautiful babies like Eva.
Here's to many more summers at the campground, and many more nights and many more dances, and hopefully the boys that chase Eva are on mountain bikes, wearing jorts, smelling like Polo Sport and bug spray.
I just want to end my toast with some marriage advice inspired by the ocean. Adapt to changing tides, surf life's rough waves, harbor strength, and persevere. Don't be shellfish, and always bet on a sure thing. Cheers to Mr. and Mrs. DeSantis.
To the bride and groom, my best friend, my brother. For those of you wondering if I was going to say brother, I just said it, my brother.